Eurospark in Leicester have got a brand new facility here, but this video is all about their stock machines that you can get your hands on. So Ryan, let's have a little tour. What have you got available?
Okay, so this is the CNC drill we do from Hankook, a Korean manufactured machine. Obviously this is the smallest footprint we've got, but available to sell now.
Okay, great. And stock machines at the moment, quite difficult to come by, so great that you've got some, and you've got another shipment on the way.
We've got 2 shipments on the way, which is great as well. Good to have stock, so anybody who needs a machine, we can help tomorrow almost.
Literally tomorrow. Right, okay, tell me about this machine then.
So this is the JM322 in the AZ series, which is the one with the fuzzy logic that everyone loves. Reliable workhorses. There's loads of machines out there. Been in the country for sort of 30 years now. Well established. Everyone knows. Everyone loves them. Right.
Okay. Before we go over to the warehouse, what trends are you seeing in the industry at the moment?
It tends to be for us with manual machines. I think they're sort of low cost, like I touched on, reliable workhorse. They do exactly what they're supposed to do, and for that reason, I think they're popular.
Very reliable. We've had some great case studies on these. Right, let's head over to your warehouse. Right, so what have we got available in here then?
So again, we've got 2 more of those, the 322s. Again, I'd say they're probably the most popular at the moment for the small footprint, and they are the sort of the machine that everyone wants.
You actually sold 2 machines last week, didn't you?
Two machines sold last week, and again, we've got 2 shipments on the way as well, which is great.
Yeah. Okay, and this machine here, the AWT4S?
Yeah, so this is the sort of the next one up from the smallest, but it's our wire cut EDM machine. It's got the automatic wire feed, which I think everyone expects now. Submerged cutting, which helps with flushing and feed rates and machining times. And then we have got a couple of pre-owned wirers as well at the moment, which again, take back in part exchange. We're often finding now customers have got older technology that they're looking to move on, so we're quite happy to take back old machines and put a new one in.
As a part exchange deal. And you've also got a promotion as well. So on top of all of these stock machines that you could literally have in the next few days, what's your promotion?
So we're offering at the moment 10% on consumable parts with any new machine order, and that's for 12 months.
Brilliant, that helps with the running costs. So there you have it from Leicester, Eurospark here, brand new facility. I'm sure that when you come along and have a little look, I'm sure Ryan will make you a cup of coffee too.